For homeowners in Melville, upgrading windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the overall value of a property. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a refreshed look and improved comfort, new windows can make a noticeable difference. Let's explore how window replacement in Melville adds real benefits to your home. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are one of the first features people notice when approaching your home. Outdated or worn frames, peeling paint, or foggy glass can diminish your property's appearance, even if the rest of the house is well maintained. Replacing old windows with modern designs instantly updates the exterior. Modern styles. From sleek picture windows to classic double-hung frames, today's options can complement any architectural style in Melville. Customization. New windows can be tailored to match your home's character, whether you prefer bold, contemporary frames or timeless, traditional designs. Improved symmetry and brightness. Strategically chosen replacements create balance, allowing more natural light into your home and brightening the facade. Curb appeal is more than just aesthetics, it creates a welcoming first impression for guests and potential buyers alike. Increased home value. Investing in window replacement offers one of the highest returns among home improvement projects. Buyers in Melville often look for properties that require minimal upgrades, and new windows give them peace of mind that the home is energy efficient and well cared for. Higher resale value. According to remodeling trends, homeowners can often recoup a significant percentage of the cost of new windows at resale. Marketability. A home with freshly installed windows stands out in competitive markets, helping listings attract attention faster. Energy savings appeal. Buyers recognize the long-term savings of energy-efficient windows, making your property more attractive compared to those with outdated installations. In short, new windows not only increase the worth of your home but also make it more desirable when it hits the market. Improved energy efficiency. Melville's climate can bring chilly winters and warm summers, which means energy efficiency is a major consideration for homeowners. Old, drafty windows often allow air to escape, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder. Lower energy bills. Replacing your windows with insulated, double or triple pane glass reduces heat transfer, lowering monthly utility costs. Year-round comfort. Modern windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, preventing hot or cold spots throughout your home. Eco-friendly choice. Reducing energy consumption not only saves you money but also benefits the environment, making your home more sustainable. Efficiency improvements make your home more appealing to eco-conscious buyers and provide ongoing savings for your family. Noise reduction and comfort. Beyond looks and efficiency, new windows also improve the quality of daily life in your home. Many Melville homeowners live near busy roads or active neighborhoods, and modern window technology offers superior noise insulation. Quieter interiors. Multi-pane glass and advanced seals reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. Better security. Updated locking mechanisms enhance safety, giving homeowners added confidence. Reduced maintenance. Newer materials such as vinyl or fiberglass resist warping and rotting, making upkeep easier and less frequent. These lifestyle improvements add both comfort and value to your home experience. A smart investment for Melville homeowners. Window replacement in Melville is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's a practical, long-term investment. From boosting curb appeal and resale value to reducing energy bills and improving comfort, the benefits are clear. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy a refreshed, efficient home, upgrading your windows is a step that pays off in multiple ways. If you're ready to enhance your home's look and value, now is the perfect time to explore window replacement options tailored to your needs and style.